Today's tutorial is going to walk you through how to log in to Discovery Education as a student. When you go to Discovery Education, you're going to see a username and password option. The one that we want to use for Genesee Valley is the Microsoft Login button at the bottom. This is located next to the Google login. We are a Microsoft school, so we want to use the Microsoft button. When you push it, it's going to take you to our Microsoft login screen. Here we are at our Microsoft login. Now, if you're already logged into Microsoft Office, like if you're in Microsoft Teams, for example, or if you're in your email, this may not pop up because you're already logged in. However, if it does, you'll need to use your Microsoft 365 credentials in order to log in. For students, this is their first name, last name without any spaces at dvcsv.org. When you put that in, you'll hit next and it will ask you for the password. Once you're on the password screen, it's going to ask you to put in your 3-digit PowerSchool number. This number you can get from your child's teacher or from the school by calling the school district and someone can look it up for you. Once you put in your 3-digit number, you hit sign in. Once you've logged in, it will either take you to the main Discovery Education page where you can access your science textbooks, or if it's an assignment that a teacher has pushed out to you and you have followed a link, it will take you directly to that activity.